Hey guys, Matt here with BuiltRight Industries. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about our super clamp riser mount. That is part number 104011. This is a little bit larger in size than our original riser mounts. This kit comes with the parts to outfit one clamp. So it's going to come with the one riser mount, the hardware, and the one rubber clamp. And is about the right size for anything between, call it 4 inches and 9 inches in diameter. So I like to use these for tow straps, and I like to use them for fire extinguishers. That gives you kind of an idea of the size we're working with. So let's jump in and see what's included with each kit. All right, so here we've got our box. This is, again, part number 104011, the super clamp riser mounts. I'll go ahead and show you what is included. The first thing you're gonna see is the rubber clamp itself. It's gonna be folded up a little bit, but it'll find its original shape. One thing to note is this clamp has the 3 mounting holes there. And you're gonna have the riser mount itself. The 3 mounting holes that interface with the clamp are right here, and the 3 slots are so that on the panel or wherever you're mounting it, you can switch angles, you can slide it around. It's gonna give you a lot of adjustability. Then of course you're gonna have a hardware kit. Finally, you're gonna have a sticker and a thank you card. Okay, so really quickly I'm gonna show you just how this is assembled and installed. The 3 holes on the bracket are gonna line up with the 3 holes in the super clamp, just like that. So you're gonna take your 1/4 hardware, there's bolts included. You're gonna find that these are a little bit tight in here, that is by design. So you'll do that in each of these 3 locations, and then you'll put it through here, and then use the supplied washer and nut on the back side here to keep it from going anywhere. And then you'll use these slots to attach it to your panel or your mounting surface, however you're using your clamp. So let's take a look at this in application really quick. All right, so this is the back of our 2-door 2021 Bronco here. You can see I've got our recovery strap here attached using a pair of these riser mounts. So that is 2 of the 104011 super clamp riser mounts. I've got my rubber clamp here holding that recovery strap. You can see how much extra space I've got. And then obviously I've got the riser mount attached directly to the panel here using the included hardware. Another option for attaching the riser mount to the panel would be to use a set of MOLLE nuts. That would allow you to attach it without having to fish a nut and washer behind the panel, but it's certainly possible either way. So this is just one of the many possible uses for a super clamp riser mount from BuiltRight. So that's a quick overview of the BuiltRight Industries super clamp riser mounts. That's part number 104011. These are a really great way to attach some of your larger items to your panels or elsewhere in your garage, shop, trailer, whatever you've got. Just one last reminder, these are sold individually because that is how QuickFist sells the clamps. So if you need a pair of these, you need to order a quantity of 2. That's a little different than our other riser mounts, so it's worth mentioning. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out via phone or email, and we'll get right back to you. Thanks.